Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Ram 1500 headlight bulb. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly on the affected side. Remove the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling gently straight back. Unscrew the retaining ring or bolts holding the bulb and carefully remove the old bulb by straightening any clips. Avoid touching the new bulb glass and reinstall in reverse order. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight housing for the Dodge Ram 1500. Remove any plastic covers or access panels that block your reach, and keep all fasteners organized. If needed, remove the air intake or battery tray for extra room, then use a flashlight to confirm the bulb type and condition of the housing. Work patiently to avoid breaking clips or connectors during this access stage. Remove the old bulb by unclipping the retainer and pulling it straight out to avoid damaging sockets. Insert the new bulb by its base, aligning tabs and seating it firmly before reattaching the retainer. Reconnect the electrical harness and momentarily reconnect the battery to test the beam alignment and function. Once confirmed, power down, reinstall any removed parts, and tighten everything to prevent moisture entry and maintain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.